Greetings to you all. As Minister of Youth, Sport, Arts and Recreation, I'm honored to join the creative cultural industries community in Zimbabwe as I congratulate the Minister of Bulawayo Metropolitan Province, Honourable Judith Nhimbe, His Worship the Mayor of Bulawayo, Councillor Solomon Nguni, the entire Bulawayo City Council, Nhimbe Trust, the first Artistic Director of the Bulawayo Arts Festival, Mr. Simon Mambazo Phiri, the entire organizing team, and of course the Bulawayo community for ensuring that this inaugural Bulawayo Arts Festival takes place online. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to also acknowledge His Excellency the President for pronouncing that the City of Kings should indeed host the Bulawayo Arts Festival annually in honor of Bulawayo Day, which falls on June the 1st. This notably will not only make an indelible mark in Zimbabwe's history as we celebrate our cultural diversity as a people, but it is also a noble act of inclusivity needed as a nation that continues to nurture participatory and sustainable development for society in line with the vision of devolution. In the context of the localization and implementation of the National Arts, Cultural and Heritage Policy, and in line with the imminent cultural and creative industry strategy, this inaugural Bulawayo Arts Festival and others that are still to be hosted by other provinces will lead to the National Arts Festival. This demonstrates that government is delivering on cultural rights by ensuring that citizens are empowered to participate meaningfully in the creation of the resilience of our communities. I would like to thank the Bulawayo City Council for setting up the Bulawayo Cultural Affairs Office and the Bulawayo Arts, Cultural and Heritage Endowment Fund to drive the city's cultural agenda. This is a vision that my ministry would like to urge other cities to emulate. I am aware that the challenges posed by the national lockdown has led to temporary suspension of artistic activities of large-scale assembly nationwide. This has not in any way derailed our creatives and indeed our cities from crafting means of ensuring that culture continues to influence development through digital platforms and social media. In this context, COVID-19 is an invitation to reflect on the core fabric of what makes our cultures unique, resilient, and a source to adapt our strategies. It is an opportunity for us to reimagine who we are as a country, as cities, and as people. In this regard, allow me to applaud Bulawayo City Council for the cultural cooperation and partnership with Nhimbe Trust. My ministry, through the National Arts Council of Zimbabwe and the National Gallery of Zimbabwe, is a partner and supporter of the Bulawayo Arts Festival. In conclusion, I would like to applaud the people of Bulawayo and all those in the creative cultural industries for being steadfast and resilient in the wake of this COVID-19 pandemic. I wish you success for this year's edition of the Bulawayo Arts Festival and all of those festivals to come, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Stay safe. Siyabonga. Thank you.